Hi, I'm Ananya Dasgupta. I'm the owner of Florence Angel. It is a small shop, in fact you can call it a boutique shop in 366 L&T, also known as Sri Awas in Dwarka, Sector 18B. You're most welcome to visit our stores. It's a small store, but it has everything in the world which you need to make others happy. We stand by you during the happy times as well as your mesmerizing times or your memories. We sell flowers with full of love so that you can pass it on with a lot of happiness. We also deliver cakes. Our cakes are sumptuous. You must try them. The location is exactly opposite the Kargil apartments, which is very famous down here, and nearby the Tanish Chowk. And it is very easily accessible because Sector 12 metro station is very nearby, and you just have to cross the alley and you would get Sector 18B, and you can spot us down there in L&T. We provide a lot many services. We have lovely homemade chocolates. You would love it. Apart from that, we do have Ferrero Rochers, Cadbury celebrations, an array of bouquets. Bouquets also made in baskets, made in vases, and of course any type, any choice of your own, we can moderate it and customize it to form a dream bouquet of your own. Cakes are of different types. You not only get the 1-tier cakes, you have the 3-tier, 4-tier, 5-tier, the wedding cakes, the anniversary cakes, the birthday cakes. We celebrate Mother's Day elaborately, and so do we celebrate the Father's Day. You're most welcome to visit us on Valentine's. Valentine's is some day which is very extra special, and we make those heart bouquets which are our speciality. Similarly, Diwali, Durga Puja and Christmas is made prominent, and so is the New Year. It comes with a lot of gaiety, and we also provide the gaiety through your choice of products. Our minimum time of delivery is by far 1 hour if it is not too far off from our location. Otherwise, if you have a cake to order, then we take a minimum of 2 to 2.5 hours to deliver. We don't have specific areas of delivery. Usually we deliver mostly in Dwarka, but if you give us time, we can always get through our online franchisees and reach your products to any part of Delhi, or you say any part of India, or you say any part of the world. In fact, we do have franchisees, 257 franchisees all over the world. Our price range starts from 150, which is local, and it can go up to any range according to what flowers you want. Customer satisfaction is something which we give the utmost priority. See, you would never come back to us if we cannot satisfy you. We cannot make you happy. So our first and foremost effort goes on to making you very happy with our products, so that you come back to us with most warm feelings that we have left you with. So that's why we tender a lot of care in delivering what we have to deliver. Special occasions can be hectic. In those point of times, I know there is a rush, but we always try to deliver with utmost care and with full sincerity in our hearts. Okay, you can ask us why our store. Yes, the main thing in our store is whatever we do it through our hearts. When you can't put your mind into it and your heart into it, nothing works. So you can just give us a try, give us a chance, and let us serve you, and you can see the difference. You will understand, you will feel it, and you will definitely come back to us with a smile. Just call up and say, Ananya, I want this to be delivered into my house, and we will do it immediately. Just give us a chance. Thank you.